Welcome back again in video tutorial of civil science. Today we will show you how to get Hibernate option in Windows 8.1. You can follow the same option for other version of Windows like Windows 10. Now let's get started. I haven't yet turned on the option in my PC. You can see here it is not turned on. Now I am going to show you how to do it. First go to this battery icon down on this corner for laptop. Then go this option like how the power button does. Then you will find this tab here, your Hibernate option. You must turn on this option before you can access full control on this tab. Then turn it off. Then your work is done. You can access Hibernate option. In this tab you can also choose how your PC will react when you press the button. It will go shutdown or sleep or hibernate or any option you want. You can also choose the option when you turn off your display, close your display, how will it react.